Welcome to our training on keyword optimization for the holiday season. Shoppers often begin by searching for what they'd like to buy. Keywords are one of the most important factors in determining what shows up in these results. Today, we'll go over some strategies for optimizing your listings for the holiday season using keywords. We'll also cover some tips for optimizing the keywords in your sponsored products campaigns. Let's discuss optimizing your product's keywords to increase visibility. Please note, these are the keywords you added when creating your listing. We'll talk about sponsored products keywords after. First, remember that your search terms have a limit of 250 characters. It's best to take full advantage of this space and include as many relevant terms as possible. You can also include different spellings of any key terms to ensure they're picked up in the search. There's no need for misspellings, as these will be detected and included in your terms. You can, however, include alternative spellings of your terms if they are significantly different. If your product is known by abbreviations or other names, try to include these. Include synonyms, as there may be customers searching for your product by a different name or title. Punctuation isn't required, but you should separate all words and terms with spaces. Don't use commas, as each comma will use a character. Since it won't help with search results, you shouldn't repeat words. Common words like a, and, for, or the aren't necessary. Choose to use either the singular or plural form of your search terms. No need for both. Words in your product title and brand are already included, so don't add them again. Is your product seasonally relevant? Is it festive or related to a certain holiday? If so, you may want to add some relevant terms that customers would likely search for during that particular season. To edit a listing's keywords, select Manage Inventory under the Inventory tab. Next, select Edit on the listing you'd like to optimize keywords for. Then, choose the Keywords tab. Under this tab, you'll see a text field labeled Search Terms. Enter your keywords here. Finally, select Save and Finish at the bottom. You can make further use of keywords when you run a sponsored products campaign. Sponsored products campaigns allow you to advertise your products in the Amazon store. You bid on keywords, and when customers search for them, your sponsored products ads are displayed in their search results. These campaigns are a great way to increase visibility and drive sales, especially during the holiday season. It can be a good idea to run your first sponsored products campaign with automatic targeting. This means that Amazon will assign relevant keywords for your ads to target. You also have the option, however, to set your own keywords through manual targeting. Manual targeting allows you to directly choose which keywords will run in your campaign. If you found success with certain keywords in automatic targeting, this can be an opportunity to focus on high performers. You can also use manual targeting to experiment with different bids for each keyword. Focus on advertising cost of sale, or ACOS. ACOS is the percentage of your total sales that you spend on advertising. You can find ACOS metrics by downloading the Campaign Performance Report for your sponsored products campaign. Identify keywords with low ACOS and use higher bids to help maximize your value. With manual campaigns, you can experiment with bid amounts to find what works best for your products. It's important to consider the holiday season in which you're running sponsored products ads. There may be relevant seasonal keywords that you wouldn't normally target, but could be especially helpful during these high-traffic times. Negative keywords keep your ads from appearing in certain search results, which helps optimize your campaigns. Manual targeting campaigns allow you to add negative keywords. Let's say you sell eyeglasses. If you bid on the keyword glasses, you wouldn't want your ads appearing when shoppers search for wine glasses. So adding wine as a negative keyword can help keep your ad out of irrelevant results. Negative keywords help focus your campaign and avoid unwanted impressions. Consider our previous tips for optimizing product keywords, as these will apply to sponsored products keywords as well. Using the insights you gain from running an automatic targeting campaign in combination with these tips can help improve your listing's visibility and set you up for a successful holiday season. This concludes our training on optimizing keywords for the holiday season. Thanks for watching, and happy selling in the Amazon store.